Well, I've made it. There's the main sign outside the Heritage Museum. Just to the right, by the way, is a wee lane which has got hundreds of ducks in it, but I'm not going there today. So that's the view up the main road. This is where we are. The primary school is just up here, and back the way to the museum. Quite a few cars parked on the road because although there's quite good parking at the museum ordinarily, this is quite a big occasion with the motorcycle show. So there are more cars than normal. It's one of the bigger days for the museum. So just to show you what it looks like here. Stable block, archaeology, genealogy, archive, toilets there, Smitty, geology. You see all these signs in there, all these old cottages. It's lovely, isn't it? A lot of cars here for sure. And I'll just come past these cars and I'll show you where the main entrance in the car park is. There we go. That comes to me. Okay. Cafe Roseburn. And there we go, it says special event this Sunday, motorcycle show. So that's that up there. Okay, I better go and pay and get in. £5 for me. Hope the rain eases up. Okay, I've paid my price and got in. Looks nice in there, I can smell a lot of food in there. I know quite a lot of faces as well. So in the entrance, got a shop here.
The next one's not till 4:30. Alright.
Very
Can I
nice.
take you somewhere there's a shelter?
That's what we pay. Thanking you. Alright. Yeah, well, there's where all the food's coming from. And we've got some ducks in here as well. Isn't that lovely? There's the music over to my left. A lot of people here. Making full use of the pavilion there, it looks very comfortable. Hey, Steve. How you doing? Fine, mate. I'm just arrived.
Sweet songs, melodies pure and true. This is my message to you.
Let's stop here for a second.
Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright now. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright now. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds and on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright now. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright now. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sat on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. One love, one heart, let's children crying, one love. Hear the children dying, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. There is one question that I really want to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinner who has hurt all mankind just to save his soul? Believe me, singing one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. As it was in the beginning, one love, so shall it be in the end. One heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together now to fight this holy Armageddon. So when the man comes, there will be no more doom.
Hey. Good thing my camera's waterproof. Gosh, I wish I knew more about these motorbikes. They've got labels on them. I think I'll just walk around and have a look at them.
One love, so shall it be in the end. One heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. As it was in the beginning, one love, so shall it be in the end. One heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel it alright.
Thank for the band.
Hey!
Thank you very kindly, Rosa Martin.
Yeah, I'll just take you around the motorbikes, at least as many as I can. Some of them have got labels. I think all of them have. If they have got labels, I'll tell you what they are. Montesa, 1980, 242 Quota. A Royal Enfield Himalayan, 2018. Kawasaki KXF 450, BMW R 1150 GS from 2005. For sale, Honda NTV 650, 1995. Let's see a label on this one. BMW anyway. Lovely wee tractor. We'll come round the top here. Have a look at these. We've got labels on the other side. Some cruisers here. Okay. Harley Davidson 883cc 1992 custom. BMW R755 1972. Harley Custom XL3C 2002. Triumph Bobber 2017 with custom paintwork. Norton 750 Commando. Gosh, this rain's crazy. AJS M14 1966, restored. You don't see a label on that one. What is this? Kawasaki W800 2011. AJS M31 1961. Honda CB550 1977. Matchless G9 1958. AJS 1960. This one says Adamant's 1956 Superlux. Pop singer Adamant purchased this bike while he was on tour in Germany. It's got a first prize rosette on it. BSA Thunderbolt 1970. AJS Silver Streak 1937, I think. Gosh, that's old. And then 1936 we've got this one, Triumph 350cc Model 32, 1936. Okay, I'll go over to the other side over there and have a film of them as well. There's a few old cars as well. This rain's incredible. They're still having a good time in there, though. Okay, this car here doesn't have a label, but it's an old MG anyway, I know that much, and it's in amazing condition. It's a shame it's being rained on. I hope the soft top's enough to keep the rain out. An old car like that. Oh, let's look at that dashboard. Oh, amazing. That is stunning. What a stunning new car. Beautiful. Yep, really lovely. And then, unless I'm mistaken, Graham Chappell's new Ford Mustang. I'll just have a look. See what it says. Ford Mustang Bullet 2020. Yep, Graham says that. Nice one, Graham. I approve of that. Have a look at that from the side here. That is a good looking car. Nice wheels as well. Yep, looks the business. Nice paint. Thank goodness it's not grey or black like everything else. And then come over this way. Got more motorbikes to look at over there. We've got somebody in a Land Rover over here. There's actually people in it, but I'm still going to come over. Hopefully don't annoy them. Land Rover Discovery 3.9 V8 1995. There we go. A nice dry place to be in this weather. I'm the only nutter that's out here. Right, what else have we got? Put these motorbikes up here. A Buell 2007 XB12X. Ulysses. A Yamaha XS 115 1982. A Ducati ST2 2000. This one, what does this say? I'll just have a look at the label 1 second. Just see what it says here. Kawasaki Z1000 2009. Kawasaki 1400 ZZR 2019. Big bike. Triumph Sprint 1050 ST 2010. For sale 2011 Yamaha 660cc, £3,000 if that was any help. Kawasaki Z1300 1984, yeah, I remember them. And BMW R1100S 2001. And I have a full motorbike license, I just haven't really used it as much as I should have. Derek, I can't believe you come out in this rain. We're the only people out here. What do you think?
It's a good show of bikes.
Isn't it cracking?
Yeah.
It's just, you went under the brolly.
No, okay, no, I'll get there.
Great, isn't it? A couple for sale as well. But you've not to get tempted by this because you've got enough toys, have you not?
I know, but I've still got a bike.
You still got a bike. Yeah, very nice indeed. Even my wee tub with my stuff in it's filled up with water and I only put it there a second ago. It is raining hard. Quick look back at where we were. That's the atmosphere there. I'll just try and focus in. Difficult with a brolly in my hand, but I'll try it. There's the people in the pavilion. Hopefully you can see it. And there's the music. It's a bit of a shocker, Derek. I forgot to say we've got a Volvo limousine here as well, which is Arran Brewery, and it's quite something. It's got to be the longest car in the island, that's for sure. We got this over to the island about 6 months ago or something, maybe near a year. A crazy car. I wonder how you turn corners in that. It's really the length of a lorry. Anyway, there we go, Volvo limousine. The music's still going strong, even got somebody dancing with a brolly. That's the only other nutter standing out here in this rain, I can tell you. Great music though, enjoying that. So I'm plenty of food over there. Everybody else is pretty much still sheltering under that pavilion. Apart from of course in the museum itself, which is behind here. I haven't actually been around these buildings yet. One or two people looking at the motorbikes just now. It's just doing exactly what they said it would. It's raining very heavily. I'm not cracking though. Whee!
Thank you very much, Rosa Barn. I'm going to take a short break now, but we'll be back to ruin the rest of your afternoon for you momentarily.
Connor Smith Memorial Prize. What? Connor Smith Memorial Prize. No, Connor sadly passed away in the competition, but it's awarded for trail bikes and trail bikes only. And it's been awarded to the Montesa, which was number 8. Where is he? Well, sure he's not here.
Has he gone away?
Okay, folks. Hello. What? I don't need one. I don't give him that channel, but give me a minute. I've been quite a roll. Sorry. Who's this wild rover? Okay, let's move forward. The ladies are going to help me here. Yeah. Right, these are the second ones. Right. These are the third ones, John, you're in charge of them. Okay, so customised bikes. Customised bikes all the way from Sankahar. Number 20, we've got a tri-bob across there. Lovely customised bike.
Hey!
Number 2, number 21. Brother, Chris, where are you? Well done, young man. Thank you. And the third is Billy, number 18. Thanks you doing it, canopy. Are you Billy's pals? You two, are you Billy's pals? No. Right. Has Billy not got any pals? Okay, so we go on to a pen that works, I hope. 370s. Number 15, Mark with his AGS. Cheers. Number 29, second, Jim with his 36 try. And then number 18, the match list, which will be young Mr. Pennycock.
Yeah. Where is he?
Pennycock, Jeff.
Where is he?
Oh, the wife will have to go.
Post 1970. First. It's Ash. Where is he? Post 1970 Ash. Where is he? It's you. Aye. It's you. No, no. First. It says first. Right. A key ring. I'll know next year, I'll just not do it. Number 5, Murray Bowl.
Speech, Murray, speech. Well done. Well done. Which bike is it for?
It was for your after 70s bike. Paul and his mule, not his third.
Alright.
You remember us, won't you? I don't fancy fighting them. Okay. Jurors. Number 16, Mark. What did you get last time? There's a wee pound just to see this.
It stood there, doesn't it?
Tom, number 24. Tom, bikes 24, number 24. Tom, number 24. Is anybody here called Tom?
Trevor's behind you, look.
I'll be told. Tom, number 24. And we'll catch him. Jim, number 30 in his Ducati. Here we have. It's the guy I don't know doing this guy. They've this as or something. John, number 1. Hurry up. Thank you. Number 6, Murray Bowl. What did you get last time? One of these.
I've got a key ring. One of them that once they finish. Bumpies.
I've got a problem with the next one, but I agree with it totally. Number 19, Mark, and his BMW.
Yes.
I know. We've got a problem with this. Somebody actually had the cheek to put an Indian bike into the show. An Indian bike, you know, the guy's got a Chinese car as well. So, am I allowed to take a rosette? Oh, bugger it, yes. I was first to show last year as well, but it's my Duggett one. Okay, well, I'm so happy. Number 14, Peter with his Yamaha. That's to remind when you go to New Zealand, that's to remind you of Arran. Cheers.
It's got to be £100 off the price.
Yeah. You've missed that, sorry. It's actually a special prize, and it's not here today. It's in the memorial here in Tapsmouth. The guy who won it didn't bring it back. However, because it's such a special prize, these are unique. There's no more lived in the whole world. You get your prize in due course. You get a big piston. Alright, yes, you get that in due course. Thank you. Okay, okay folks, special vehicles. You can see this year we've got a plethora of special vehicles. I actually brought one I could lie down in as well, which is quite nice. We've had a vehicle expert today who specialises in bodywork, so he's come along and checked them all out. And is that you, Ray? Are you still here? No? So first we have the MG. Which is only brought fitted with force.
What's that?
It's only brought fitted with force.
It's actually getting outboard motor now. It's gone off market. The wee seagull. Thank you.
Thank you. Second, we have the Mustang. Where's Mustang Sally? Come on. The dog, Billy. Definitely not you. Thank you. Cheers. Third, we've got the highly customised Land Rover. Who's attached to the highly customised? Oh, there he is. Attached to the highly customised Land Rover. You still owe your views, by the way. Thank you, well done. Yes, thank you. People's choice. Now, Ashley's worked really hard at this. We've done our best to make sure it's nice and fair, and it's worked really well. The People's choice for the best bike in the show is the Montesa. That's the best for the People's choice. Second is Jim Ross, number 29. Okay. Best in show is quite an important one. Now we'll go reserve best first. Reserve best in show is number 15, which is your AGS. Reserve. That's whiskey. Okay, folks. The best in show, and I think it's really, it's a lot of work and a lot of money spent on this bike. I think it's absolutely lovely. Is the Tribob number 20 all the way from Sanka. We'll be here next year. So that's it, folks. If anybody feels they've missed out, let me know. There'll be a general inquiry. And I say, the show's happened. We made it happen. It's just, to me, it's been a wonderful blessing today. All this support from guys up here last night in the blazing sunshine, putting the stuff up. And we've proved the resilience of motorcyclists. We've proved that pipe bands don't march in the rain. We've proved that jazz bands can really be quite nice after a while. But look, thanks for the votes. You'll see all the results in the paper. We were in 17 different publications. Now there's one further prize to go, and because it's got a long way to go, we don't think we want to take it at all. You know, the best in show and the museum prize, and I think you're going to have to stick up your. here we go. Best in show, number 20, the Tri-Bob. Say we get Vaseline. Maybe get some Vaseline. Leave it in a rubber glove. Pleasure, thank you. Thanks everybody for coming today. Thank you to the museum for giving us a pen to go under. Thanks for the judges as well. The judges have been very good, very impartial, especially the choice of the Himalayan. I thought it was better.
Thank you, Terry.
Yes.
Thank you. Can I say what a lovely bike that is parked out at the gate? Where is he? He just came too late to be judged, didn't you? Came too late. That's what other women say. That's what other women say. You know something?
Yeah!
The best bike in the car park.
Hey!
See the problems I had fishing in these bottles. Thanks everybody, God bless you.
Right, I've got Will going to show me inside the stretch limo. Volvo S40,
S90.
S90, 2000s.
Ja, ik kon not eatery.
That's brilliant. Let's have, is the back door open, Ro?
Everything is open. Hey.
Oh, brilliant. Just to have a look and see what it's like inside.
Ja?
Well, you've got another door. Of course, you've got another door. There's the back door open.
Oh, doors.
Do the back doors open? So you've got lots of them. My goodness. Of course, it's nice inside, Ro, isn't
It's
it?
really nice. I still want to take you out for a ride, but I never met you.
I know. We're always working, Ro.
Yes, like
3 rows of seats in there. Good grief. That's amazing. Thanks, Ro. Thanks for showing me in there.
No problem.
That looks amazing.
I saw the lights and the
How long is that? How long is it? What's the length?
6 meters.
6 meters.
Ja.
Very good. It just looks much longer, doesn't
Zo
it?
enough, ja.
Yeah, yeah. Nice one, Ro.
She stood there laughing. I felt a knife in my hand and she laughed no more. Bye, 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 Delilah. Why, Delilah? So before they come to break down the door, forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take any more. Forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take any more.
Wait! Wait!
Thank you very much, Rutherford. And I learned how to get along. Well, now you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid law, should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, 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 I will survive. As long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. It took all the strength I had not to fall apart, kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent oh so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me, somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person still in love with you. And so you fell back dropping in, you just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my loving for someone who's loving me. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to crush me with goodbye? You think I'd crumble? You think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, 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 I will survive. As long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I got all my life to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Do you think I'd crumble? Do you think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, no, I will survive. As long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to give, I got all my love to give, and I'll survive.
Hey!
Thank you very much, Rosamund.
Better listen.
Okay, thought I'd better have a wee walk around here
Oh,
now,
you lonely girls.
since I'm actually,
Leave your umbrellas
well, I'm here to see the
at
motorcycle
home.
show, but I'm also here to see all the museum as well. So I'll just have a quick walk around and show you what's here. Beautiful gardens, absolutely gorgeous. And by the way, I was talking about the ducks being here. Bathing box. Takes you down to the riverside here. I'm going to go down this wee path. See what's going on down here. Down to the bathing box, accompanied by Biff Simpson and the singers, the band. A beach hat, a Brodick beach hat, that's what it is. Okay. Used to be a lot of these in Brodick. Okay. Lovely wee riverside walk here. Ferguson tractor. A lot of flowers about the place as well.
It's a raining man, hallelujah, it's a raining man.
farm equipment in here. Threshing mill. Horse-driven threshing mill. Okay. That's me out through there. Got all this ploughing equipment in the display here. I'll just head over and go in on these doors over here. On that top corner now, looking back in the whole exhibition. An old phone box and a fuel pump there. And then I'm going to this building here. Post office on Arran, my goodness. The counter came from Shanachie Post Office. And back up, seeing a good view here. And then an awful lot of horse equipment here. Saddles and muzzles and things. The first building on the site of this, on this site was Rosaburn Schoolroom, in which we are standing. This was the schoolroom. Okay, into the next room. Smiddy here. Forge. Lots of equipment. Sound effects as well. Wheelwright, beam drill, step back over here, so much equipment in here. Okay, still hear the singing in the background. Oh, it's got a bicycle up in there. On the wall there. Smid was built in 1853. Hi. Okay. Been in that door and back out this one. I'll go into the next one. 19th century cottage. 19th century cottage, okay. Right. So, that's all straight through to the far room here. Oh, got a lot of rooms. I'll come right to the back and start from there. Let's see what it says about the door here. Washroom with the rollers. Blanket washer. And then into the main living room. And wood plates. Fireplace, massive old fireplace there. Lovely. Definitely come back in time in here. Gorgeous. And we've got a bed in here. Little piano as well. And another fire. Somebody sitting in the chair. A tick-tock and clock on top of the mantelpiece. stairs going up here. Sorry, thanks. Oh, windy wee stairs. Tiny treads. Looks like I've gone straight to go up them a little bit. Old creaky floorboards. Little bedroom. And then upstairs again. Another little room here. Sewing machine, a couple of sewing machines up here. I'll go back down again. Everything's to be blind, of course. I've been doing these, my feet are a bit big. Right, let's move in that one. Anything over there. So now I'm going to this little cottage. Geology. Sorry, thanks. Thanks very much. The geological timeline of the Isle of Arran, going back millions of years, 542 million years, and then as you go left to right, all these stones getting more and more recent, 300, 200 million, 65 million, and then 2 million, and then the Ice Age. Built by James Hutton, father of modern geology. Okay. And then in here, just a big display screen telling the stories of Arran with a 6-minute video.
On your next visit to Arran, take a moment to imagine yourself in the ancient deserts, jungles, and volcanoes. The landscape will join through the story.
Okay, that's the geology room, or the McLeod room as it says in the label above the door. That's what's parked over there. Right, we've got stable block, archaeology, milk house and archive up here. Butte County Council notices on the wall there. Some more equipment here, farming equipment. Let's have a look down here. No entry, okay, I'm not going in there, that's fine. Not allowed in that door. The stable block. Okay. I'll just get that door open. Okay, I've come through the door now. This is a big place in here. It's an old switchboard. Brodick Exchange switchboard there. A marine section there. Down the water, holiday making on Arran. Old film footage, Brodick Pier playing in the corner there in 1929. A section in the clearances. Not a lot of people left the island in the clearances, I think there was 700 from memory. But anyway, the population decreased rapidly as it is just now. So it's kind of similar. Economic forces leading to a decline. Hugh Purdy pottery in there. And then we've got a room in here that's labelled archaeology. In here. A lot of displays and exhibits in here. Big place. Mesolithic age, Neolithic age, Bronze age.
I wonder what ever happened to that tower. That sat in the graveyard just outside the church. It was off a ship that you shipped.
Cyst. There's a cyst there. Early Bronze Age cyst grave.
That was off the ship.
Clack-eyed man, a Stone Age farmer.
Disappeared because it was made out of wood. Right. So they took it away
Iron
to get
Age.
it repaired, but never ever came back.
Dark Ages, early medieval. Vikings and Norsemen. And then on to churches and castles and Arran. And a short history of Arran. Okay, on to the next one. Arran villages, past and present. A lot of photos on the wall there. And then, oh, this was the door that was no entry, but actually I'm coming back in that direction. So we're just being guided in a certain direction, that's all. In the wrong place. Okay, spinning and weaving. Spinning wheel, plant dies. Some vessels up in the, up high there. Farmer Society trophies there. Corrie Football Club, Music Festival, a lot of trophies. Lady Jean Ford's shell collection. And then, oh, it goes, okay, it's a stair up, but it's only for staff. Okay. I'll go back through. Let's see if there's anywhere else to explore. Just for information's sake, we've got toilets here as well. I went in there already, that's the last door I went in. Toilets. Disabled toilets as well. And we've got the milk house in here. Oh, very nice. The history of Arran Creamery and how milk is turned into cheese. Tiny wee low door there. Absolutely tiny. Okay, move over back round. You can still hear the speaker going, so they must still be playing music around here. It's got one more place for me to look at, just through this gate. I've seen the old schoolroom as well. A room with the photos of Arran school children in it, and in fact it was from 2001 and one of the children in the photo was my boy Michael. Nice to see. Had every kid on Arran in one photo.
Okay. And now for the gin. McQueen's gin.
This is the tea room and school room it's called.
It's a white one this time.
Sorry.
Jenny.
Nice tea room.
Yes, Jenny's
with,
the gin.
seating in there.
We don't mix us, unfortunately.
And then into the school room here. An old piano. Says you can play it if you ask. And when I was talking about the school kids, there you go, Arran Schools 2001, every kid. And I even found Michael. Yeah, let's see. Anyway, 1940s schoolroom.
Is a member of the band.
Old desk.
Twins.
The desk they had at my school had inkwells, but I don't see any. And these ones, they've got little circular things in the middle. Look at this. They're very small. Look funny. Probably mine were the same. Oh, there's the inkwell. Yeah, look at the inkwells.
Thank you very much indeed for your contributions this afternoon towards the museum funds. We will go back. The next one will be the Children's Day,
Okay.
which is on the
I think I've seen everything.
of July. Thank you very much indeed.
Tightened up now.
And another.
Just to prove right at the end, the sun did come out. And we've got a motorbike starting up there, Murray Bow on his bike. Oh, that's a success. Nice now.